Understanding the phrase, to heal. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to explore the phrase, to heal. It's a phrase you might come across in various contexts, and we'll break it down for you to make it easier to understand and use in your daily conversations. When you think of the word, heal, the back part of your foot might come to mind. That's the literal meaning. However, to heal can be used in a context that refers to a dog walking directly next to its owner, especially when on a lead or leash. It is a command given to dogs to follow closely and not wander off. Example, I trained my dog to heel when we go for walks, so he stays right by my side. In a more figurative sense, to heel can also mean to control or bring someone or something into line or into a subservient position. Example, after a long discussion, he finally brought the rebellious members to heel. Here, it doesn't mean that someone is being walked like a dog, but rather that they are being brought under control or authority. It's easy to mix up to heal with similar sounding words or phrases. For instance, heal refers to the process of making or becoming sound or healthy again. Incorrect, I taught my dog to heel. Correct, I taught my dog to heel. Hell, a place regarded in various religions as a spiritual realm of evil and suffering. Incorrect, she brought the team to hell after their poor performance. Correct, she brought the team to heel after their poor performance. Remember, context is key, and understanding the subtle differences between these words can significantly improve the clarity of your communication. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, to heal. We hope this video has shed light on its various meanings and uses. Remember, English is full of phrases with both literal and figurative meanings, and understanding them can make your language skills even richer. Until next time, happy learning!